Okay, am I audible? Okay, namaste, welcome back सारे लोग कैसे हो? How is your preparation going on? Write down hi in the chat box if I am clearly audible to all of you guys. Let me know if I am clearly audible to all of you. And then we will start the session of the Menti Quiz. Code is 937899. And how is your preparation going on for 12th standard? This session, this Menti Quiz is for 12th. और आज के सेशन का कोड है 937899. How you will use this code? Same as we were using in the last couple of Menti quizzes. So regularly, continuously we are having Menti quiz, and the code which is given over here, code क्या है? 937899. 937899. This is your Menti code which is on a screen. And how you will use it? You will use by going on www.menti.com. Okay, go over there and you will be asked this particular code. Write down this code and then you will enter into the quiz. So for this session is for application of the derivative. Okay, last Menti quiz was on the differentiability, so I hope the basics of the differentiation is very clear. We have already finished the theory part. We have done a session based on the questions. Okay, and now we will check the applications of the differentiability, differentiation, derivatives, whatever you want to give the name. So we will do 10 best questions that you should do before you sit in your examination. So I hope you have joined it. If not, join it. और अगर आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया है, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स so that we can increase the competition. We will talk about this particular pro subscription plan by the end of the session or in the middle of the session. So as of now, you can write down the promo code. It's ADAPRO, and by using this code you can enroll, and it's a minor notification that soon we will end this code and you will not be able to have this 20% off. So quickly you can enroll and then you can have access to the unlimited live classrooms where you can learn as much as you want according to your need. और बेटा अगर यहाँ पर आ ही गए हो तो प्लीज लाइक कर दो to increase my confidence, to increase my motivation so that we all can help you better. तो आप लोग आते हो बिना लाइक किए चले जाते हो, ऐसा क्यों बेटा? तो लाइक कर दिया करो बिना कहे. And share this session with your friends. Share this Menti quiz code 937899 with your friends and increase the competition. And now it's a quiz time. Let's start. I hope you have done all these things. Now question number 1 will be on your screen in the next minute. Let me check how many of you have joined. केवल 4 लोग हैं अभी. तो ये आप शेयर करोगे ना तो कम से कम 10, 15, 20, 25 होने चाहिए बेटा. आप शेयर नहीं करते हो. बोलो अपने दोस्तों को आओ ज्वाइन करते हैं, खेलते हैं क्विज. चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट योर फर्स्ट क्विज ऑफ द सेशन. पहला क्विज ऑन ए स्क्रीन. बहुत बढ़िया सवाल है. y is equals to x to the power 1 by 5. The curve at the point 0, 0 will be having a tangent parallel to y-axis, parallel to x-axis. An oblique tangent means like this, or you will not have any tangent. So I'm waiting for your response. 2 people have answered. 40 seconds left. So you should know the differentiation, and differentiation especially of the power function. Differentiation of x power n. And by using differentiation we will read the theory, what exactly you guys calculate when you differentiate a function. So last 15 seconds, 4 people have answered. Very good. So good that all 4 of you have correctly answered. लेकिन टॉपर कौन है? टॉपर है गेमर. और बेटा गेमर का नाम क्या है? गेमर का नाम बताओ. आकाश फ्रॉम द क्लास 9th. वेरी गुड बेटा. क्लास 9th का बच्चा क्लास 12th की क्विज लगा रहा है. दैट्स अ गुड, वेरी गुड थिंग. अनुराग भावेश फ्रॉम द क्लास 11. तो ये एडवांस में है ये भी. तो क्वेश्चन लगाते हैं. क्वेश्चन क्या है? y is equals to x to the power 1 by 5. Point number 1 that I will write, and this is the first learning of the session. तो आज की पहली लर्निंग आपकी ये वाली होगी, ठीक है? जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके, तो आज की आपकी जो पहली लर्निंग है वो ये है, पॉइंट नंबर 1, that y dash, or we can call it as a derivative of y with respect to x, we can call it as slope of tangent to the curve. एक कर्व से उसका टेंजेंट का स्लोप है. If somebody will ask the point, we will put the point over here. So let's differentiate. If you will differentiate dy by dx, it will be dx to the power 1 by 5 upon dx. Now second thing that we will learn over here, जो आपका फॉर्मूला बड़े काम का है, dx to the power n upon dx is equals to n x to the power n minus 1. You will notice when you will write down the notes of this session, or when you will solve questions from your end, you will find out that only a specific kind of differentiation has been asked, and this is the most important differentiation in the whole derivative, application of the derivative. And this is equals to n x to the power n minus 1. This is your y dash, and your y dash came out as 1 by 5. This is x to the power, if you will write it down, this is x to the power minus 4 by 5, or you can write it down as 1 upon 5 x to the power 4 by 5. Now you have been asked what is the slope at 0 comma 0. So put x equal to 0. If you will put x equal to 0, you will have 1 upon 5, 0 to the power 4 by 5, which is 0. No, this is not 0, sorry. This is 1 upon 0. Okay, this is 1 upon 0, and 1 upon 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? अब यहीं पर एक बात और लिखेंगे कि स्लोप का मतलब होता है बेटा tan theta. Okay, and if theta is equals to 0, your slope will be 0. If your theta is equals to 90 degree, your slope will be of the form 1 by 0. आई बात समझ में? तो यहां से हम लोग कह सकते हैं that slope is 1 by infinity, and we can say the slope means angle of inclination. slope से हम क्या निकाल सकते हैं? angle of inclination, and from here angle of inclination came out as 90 degree, and this angle of inclination is from x-axis. So we can say this is the angle of, now slope is not equal to angle of inclination. If somebody asks, तो बता देना कि दोनों बराबर नहीं होते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि slope क्या होता है? tan theta and angle of inclination. आई बात समझ में? तो ये दोनों बराबर नहीं होते हैं. तो if in case you are having the confusion over here, you can note it down that slope is not angle of inclination. और मैं आपके यहां पर नोट्स वाली स्लाइड में ये लिख देता हूं बेटा. ये बहुत जरूरी बातें हैं जो आपके एग्जाम में पूछी जाती हैं, एंड एग्जामिनर कैन कंफ्यूज. स्लोप इज नॉट एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन. ठीक है, अगर इसको मैंने माना थीटा, तो ये क्या होगा? ये होगा tan थीटा. और यहां से हमने बोल दिया इफ अ लाइन इज परपेंडिकुलर, और यहीं से एक और हमने निकाला कि if theta is equal to 90 degree, हम बोल सकते हैं that tangent is parallel to किसके? y axis. If theta is equals to 90 degree, we can say tangent is parallel to x axis. ये दोनों बातें याद कर लेना, क्योंकि अगला क्वेश्चन आपका इसी के ऊपर बेस्ड है. क्लियर? यस, चलो. अच्छा अनुराग, आपने क्या बोला? डिड यू सी होमवर्क आंसर्स ऑफ द डिफरेंशिएशन? आई विल चेक इट अनुराग बाय टुडे. ओके, आई वाज in that particular mindset that nobody answers and I haven't checked, but definitely I will shortly check by today after the session, and I will reply on you. Now question number 2, equation of the normal to the curve. अब ये एक अलग कॉन्सेप्ट है. लगाते हैं। जिन लोगों ने क्विज अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं की है, कोड इज 937899 937899 is the code. Okay, 937899. If you wanted to join, you can still join it. One person have answered. Question is very good, and this question might confuse you. शायद नहीं लगा पाओ बेटा, अच्छा सवाल है. Equation of the normal of the curve. What is the curve? 3x square minus y square equals to 8. And this equation of the normal should be parallel to the given line. We will understand all the concept that is needed to solve this question. Last 10 seconds. 3% have answered. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, all 4 of you have answered. And 2% have correctly answered for this question. Let me check who have given the right answer. So Anurag and Bhavish, very good. So these two people have correctly answered. Welcome, Revit. What's your name? Real name. Now, let me write on the theory part over here. What we need to know is slope of normal is equals to minus 1 by times of slope of tangent. Why so? ऐसा क्यों? Because we have read something in the straight line that m1 m2 is equals to minus 1, where m1 m2 are the slope of two lines perpendicular to each other. आई बात समझ में? So what is normal? Normal is a line perpendicular to tangent. Perpendicular to tangent. So normal is a line perpendicular to tangent. This is the first concept that you need to know in this question. Second thing, it was given that equation of the normal parallel to the given line. If you are having a line y equals to mx plus c, it says this is the slope, and slope of line 1 is equal to slope of line 2 if they are parallel. This is what you need to know in this particular question. Okay, now let's solve the question over here. अब question number, ये हमने 1 लगाया था, अब question number 2 लगाएंगे. Question number 2 was the curve is 3x square minus y square is equals to 8. We have to find out the equation of the normal which is parallel to, किसके पैरेलल है वो? देखो किसके पैरेलल है वो, चेक करके बताता हूं आपको मैं. It was x plus 3y equal to 8. X plus 3y equals to 8. Now this might be the equation of the normal, this might not be equation of the normal, but what we are interested in, that if we will write down this equation in this format, 3y is equals to minus x plus 8 and y is equal to minus 1 by 3x plus 8. Now this is the slope of normal. ये हम बोलना चाहते हैं कि this is the slope of normal. This is slope of normal. आई बात समझ में? Now over here, if you will differentiate this, you will be having 3 dx square by dx minus dy square by dx. You cannot directly differentiate, you have to apply chain rule, and chain rule says that divide by dy multiply by dy is equals to 8. Sorry, this is d8 by read the question. किसने बोला? Anurag, question is this. Yes, 8 by 3. Yes, very good. This is 8 by 3. This is d8 by dx. And now after this, yes, now after this, when you will differentiate, you will have it as 6x, and you will have over here 2y, and dy by dx I am writing y dash, and differentiation of constant is 0. You will write down this kind of thing. Differentiation of a constant number is 0, and from here what exactly you will have, क्या मिलेगा आपको यहां से? चेक करके बताइए. अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करते हो, इस पूरी इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हो, what you will have over here, that 3 into 2x 6x minus 2y into y dash is equal to 0, and from here you will have that y dash is equals to ये आपका आएगा 3x upon y. But guys, this is the slope of tangent. आई बात समझ में? Now I'm writing over here slope of normal, you are saying minus 1 by 3. You are saying slope of the tangent is 3x upon y, and we are saying normal and tangent are perpendicular to each other. So slope of normal multiply slope of tangent is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 by 3 into 3x upon y is equals to minus 1, and when you will solve it, you will find out as x equals to y. Now for all the points x equals to y, this particular condition is satisfied. These both conditions are satisfied, especially this one. Okay, for x equal to y, what is the curve? 3x square minus y square is equal to 8. Put x equal to y over here. 3y square minus y square equals to 8. From here you will have 2y square equals to 8, y square equals to 4, and from here you will have y equals to 2 and y equals to minus 2. If y is equal to 2, then x will be equals to 2. If y equal to minus 2, x will be equals to minus 2. Is that clear? So 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 2 satisfy that normal slope will be minus 1 by 3. But what we are saying, that equation of a line parallel to, or the slope of the normal should be minus 1 by 3 x plus c. Now you will put this point over here. What you will have? Put y equal to 2 minus 2 by 3 plus c. You will have one of the equation over here, and you will calculate the value of c. ठीक है? अब इसके बाद you will put minus 1 by 2. You will have another equation, and this is how guys you will have two equations in your hand. आपके पास दो equation होंगी. Clear है बात? अब दो इक्वेशंस होंगी तो आपके पास दो आंसर्स हो सकते हैं, एंड ओवर हियर वन ऑफ द आंसर व्हिच इज गिवन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. आपका एक आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर to all of you how exactly we have solved this question. So let me summarize what exactly we have done. Okay, what exactly we have done? We have stated that slope of normal multiply slope of tangent is equals to minus 1. It was given that normal equation is parallel to 3x plus y is equal to 8, and if something is parallel, slope of the line is equal. So we have written in this format. ये क्या इक्वेशन थी आपकी? इक्वेशन चेक करो एक बार. ये आपकी इक्वेशन थी x plus 3y is equals to 8. So we have calculated this in the form of minus 1 by 3x plus 8, and we are saying that this line is parallel to the normal equation. So we are saying if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are parallel, and we are saying minus 1 by 3. We differentiated the curve. What was the curve? Curve was 3x square minus y square equal to 8, and after differentiation we have got it as 3x upon y. We multiplied them because they both are perpendicular, and if two slopes are perpendicular, two lines are perpendicular, their product of the slope will be equal to minus 1. And from here we get x equal to y. Now we put this particular thing in the in the curve, and from there I have got 2 points, x equal to 2, y equal to 2. One pair, and x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 2. We put both we created the equation in the form. Let's suppose equation of the normal is y equal to mx plus c. We put both the points, and we will have two kind of equation, one of which will satisfy this particular option, option number C. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now let's do question number 3 on a screen. If you haven't joined the quiz, it's 937899. Time starts right now. Yes, thank you so much Bhavish for raising a voice in on behalf of me. चलिए अगला question. The tangent to the curve y equals to e to the power 2x at the point 0,1 meets x-axis at. Simple the question है. Now we are asking x-intercept. That's all. Just directly differentiate, calculate the slope of the tangent, equation of the tangent, and then you will find out what exactly a point look alike when it is on the x-axis. अगर एक point x-axis पर होता है तो वो कैसा होता है इसके बारे में आप सोचोगे, and accordingly you will calculate that point. So last 20 seconds, 4 people have already answered. I hope. Okay, this question was guess. Okay. नो नीड टू गेस, अनुराग दो, मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे करना चाहिए था. 5 people have answered, very good. So correct answer is given by just one person. And let me check who has given the right answer. So Anurag have given the right answer. Bhavesh, Gamer, Akash, Sarvari and Neha Arora, you all will check how exactly we will solve this kind of question and what exact theory you all will need. What has been asked? You have been asked the curve is y equals to e to the power 2x. Okay, I will write down over here what exactly do you need. What exactly is being asked? Equation of the tangent. No, not this. Let me check the question. Tangent to the curve at the point 0, 1 meets the x-axis at this point. Okay. Now let's differentiate this. If you will differentiate, you will have y dash is equals to d e to the power 2x upon dx. Now you cannot differentiate directly because what is having on the power of e, we will differentiate by the same thing. So divide by e, d2x, d2x. Now y dash is equals to e to the power 2x and from here differentiation is 2. So आपको दो चीजें यहाँ पर याद रखने की है from the differentiation of e power t. If you will do it by the power, you will have e power t. Second thing that you need to know from this question is a differentiation of k f upon dx is equals to k df by dx. And what is k over here? I'm talking about this one. That I have taken 2 outside and differentiated dx by dx. Dx by dx is equals to 1. And this is how we have got the point. Now you will check point 0, 1. Always remember. The point is 0, 1. It's given in the question. I will surely check whether this point lie over here. Yes. Put करके देखो. You will be having 0 to the power e to the power 0 is 1. X is equal to 0 will give y equal to 1. So this point lies over here and I will put this point in this equation to calculate the slope of the tangent. This is the slope. And the slope at a particular point x equal to 0 is equal to 2 into e to the power 2 into 0 is equal to 2. Okay, so first I have differentiated it and then I have checked the slope and I have checked the slope at a particular point and now I have the slope m is equal to 2. I will write down the equation. कैसे लिखूंगा equation? The line passing through 0, 1. इसी से पास होती है ना, line passing through 0, 1. So what is the equation of a line? Y minus 1 upon x minus 0. Write down, if you do not know, the equation of line in this form. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equals to m. ये सब आपको पता होना चाहिए and this is equals to 2. This is the equation of the line. And now we are saying line passing through x-axis. If a point is passing through x-axis, it will be in the form of a comma 0, where y on x-axis y will be 0. So put y will be equal to 0. 0 minus 1 upon a minus 0 is equal to 2. When you will cross multiply, you will have a equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay, answer क्या होगा? Option number B, a equals to minus 1 by 2. Your point will be minus 1 by 2 comma 0. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? तो यहां से हमने क्या क्या सीखा? Equation of a line सीखी निकालना. Point slope form. Point is given, slope we have calculated. And apart from this, differentiation of exponential function, differentiation of a function which is having the multiplication with a constant number. This is what we have learned in this question. Clear? Now, next question on your screen, I will show it to you. भावेश, अब समझ में आया कि कैसे हमें ये क्वेश्चन करना था. -1/2 आपने ये कैलकुलेशन में गड़बड़ी कर दी थी. ठीक है? यस. अब लगाएंगे अगला क्वेश्चन. लेट्स चेक हु विल गिव द राइट आंसर. Question number 4 on a screen. I hope you have joined this Menti Quiz by using the code 937899. अब ये लेवल अप कर रहे हैं हम लोग. अगला कॉन्सेप्ट है जो आपका आता है AOD से, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द डेरिवेटिव से. Okay. Interval on which the function 2x cube plus 9x square plus 12x minus 1 is decreasing. The interval on which the function 2x cube plus 9x square plus 12x minus 1 is decreasing. बहुत सिंपल है, मैं आपको पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट समझाऊंगा कैसे क्वेश्चन किया करते हैं ऐसे वाले. Last 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 4 people have answered, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5 people have answered and correct is given by 3. 3 लोगों ने सही दिया. ये बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. यस, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन था ये. सो भावेश, अनुराग एंड नेहा अरोरा have given the right answer. Answer is option number. क्या है आपका आंसर? ऑप्शन नंबर चेक कर लेते हैं. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन देखिए, 2x क्यूब प्लस 9x स्क्वायर. 2x क्यूब माइनस 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x minus 1. Now what has been asked? If this is the value of y, okay, this is the function y, it has been asked for what interval the function is decreasing. What does it mean? What is the meaning of function decreasing? If function decreasing means the value of y is decreasing. लिख लेना इसको कॉपी के अंदर. फंक्शन डिक्रीजिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? फंक्शन डिक्रीजिंग का मतलब होता है कि वैल्यू ऑफ y डिक्रीजिंग ऑन इंक्रीजिंग x को बढ़ाने से. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है इफ आई विल गो ओवर हियर y विल डिक्रीज, मींस योर फंक्शन विल लुक लाइक दिस, ऐसे नीचे. ये आपका क्या है? स्लोप. कैसा है? अब यहां से मैं बोल सकता हूं स्लोप ऑफ द कर्व इज हैज टू बी लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 0. इजंट इट? यही तो हम निकालना चाहते हैं. तो आगे लगाते हैं क्वेश्चन को. Now what is y? Y is 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x minus 1. So let's calculate dy by dx. कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया कि हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, किस लिए कर रहे हैं. When you will calculate it, 2 dx cube by dx minus 9 dx square by dx. If there is a constant in the differentiation, we can take it out, and if it is addition, subtraction, we can separately differentiate. Plus 12 dx by dx minus d1 by dx, and this y dash is equals to 6x square. This will give you 3x square into 2 6x square minus 2x, 9 into 2x 18x plus 12, and this differentiation of a constant number is 0, and you will have y dash as equals to 6 times of x square minus 3x plus 2. Let me write down clearly what exactly we have got. We have got dy by dx is equals to 6 times of, just give me a moment. Okay. So what we have got, dy by dx is 6 times of x square minus 3x plus 2. This is what we have got. Always factorize. Okay, whenever you are solving the questions of factorial, whenever you are solving the questions of increasing decreasing function, mention this in your notebook. Always you need to factorize. सोचना ही नहीं है बेटा, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने मिलकर सोचा है बहुत कि यहाँ ये factorize करना है. And when you will factorize, you will have it as equals to, जब आप इसको factorize करोगे, you will have it as equals to 6 times of x minus 2 and x minus 1. Clear? Now what to do after this? Always draw a number line and mark the critical point. अब मैं आपको इसको दो तरीके बताऊंगा. पहला तरीका by using wavy curve method. Mark the critical point. Over here it's 1 and over here it's 2, and start with the positive sign from the most right hand side, and then check that whether this critical point is having odd power, even power. If it is having odd power, change the sign. If it is even power, sign will remain same. X minus 2 power 1 is odd, means sign will change minus. आई बात समझ में? यही आपका क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है? ओके ओके, आई एम सॉरी, दिस वाज +1 एंड इट वाज, यस, ये आपका +3 था, ठीक है? ये आपका प्लस था यहां पर, ये आपका प्लस है यहां पर, ये आपका प्लस है यहां पर, ये आपका प्लस है यहां पर. इफ इट इज प्लस, देन यू विल हैव plus over here, you will have plus over here, but the concept will remain same, and the only thing that we will change, the critical points will get shifted to here, but the concept will remain same. This is -2, this is -1. Critical points are those points where your dy by dx will become 0. Where your dy by dx will become 0 are the critical points. Now minus, because this critical point factor is having the odd power, so sign will change. Now around this critical point factor is having odd power, sign will change. Now what we are checking, where dy by dx is less than equal to 0 is this particular reason where we are having the negative sign. Answer is -2 to -1. This is one of the method. Now method number 2, if you are not very comfortable with the wavy curve method and you want something more logical, होता है ना, नहीं सर मजा नहीं आया यार, इसके अंदर ना थोड़ा और लॉजिक डालो तब मजा आएगा. अब ये क्या था आपका x plus 2, x plus 1. Now what do we want? We want it has to be less than equal to 0. Case number 1, ये कब 0 से छोटा होगा? जब ये नेगेटिव होगा और ये पॉजिटिव होगा, या फिर ये पॉजिटिव होगा ये नेगेटिव होगा. यस और नो? तो केस नंबर 1 हमने इसको बोल दिया और ये हमने बोल दिया केस नंबर 2. अब केस नंबर 1 सॉल्व करते हैं. केस नंबर 1 इज सेइंग दैट x plus 2 is less than equal to 0 and x plus 1 is greater than equal to 0. चेक करो केस नंबर 1 क्या है कि ये नेगेटिव ये पॉजिटिव, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ नेगेटिव एंड ए पॉजिटिव नंबर इज ऑलवेज लेस देन 0. अब इसको ड्रॉ करके देखते हैं. यहां से बेटा क्या मिलेगा आपको कि x लेस देन इक्वल टू -2, दिस इज -2, x लेस देन इक्वल टू -2, एंड व्हाट इज सेइंग, x plus 1 greater than equal to 0 means x greater than equal to -1. This is -1, x greater than equal to -1. In every case you will check intersection. There is no intersection, so you will say not possible. यानी कि हमने और clearly देख लिया exactly what is happening. Now case number 2. Okay, I will draw case number 2 on the next slide where I am saying case number 2. I am saying that x plus 2 is greater than 0, but x plus 1 is less than equal to 0. Draw over here. When you will draw this particular thing, x is greater than equal to -2 and x is less than equal to -1. So this is -2, this is -1. x greater than -2, x less than -1. कौन सा रीजन इंटरसेक्शन का? दिस इज द रीजन ऑफ द इंटरसेक्शन एंड दिस इज व्हाई यू हैव गॉट द आंसर -2 to 1. ये लॉजिकल अप्रोच है. Wavy curve is the conclusion of this logical approach. I hope both the methods are clear to you people. अगर नहीं समझ में आया है, we will check some more example. अगर आप जानना चाहते हो और कि सर let's do some couple of examples, तो आप मुझे बताइए. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी ऐसे वीडियोस निकालने वाले हैं जहां पर आपकी छोटी छोटी बातें होंगी कि वेवी कर्व आया कहां से, व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस ऑफ द वेवी कर्व. ओके, इट्स नॉट बेबी, इट्स वेवी. ओके, वेवी का मतलब ये और बेबी का मतलब बेटा होता है ये, तो गलत मत समझना इस चीज को, ठीक है? अलग अलग बातें हैं. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑन योर स्क्रीन, एंड दोज हु आर इन दिस who haven't joined this Menti Quiz yet, you can join it by using 937899 is the code. So I hope you guys have joined, you guys have shared with your friends. Now बहुत बढ़िया सवाल है, बहुत इजी सवाल है और हो सकता है कि कंफ्यूजिंग भी हो. Last 30 seconds, 3 people have answered. I'm waiting for some more. जितने लोगों ने आंसर कर दिया बेटा अपने दोस्तों को शेयर कर देना, ठीक है? R to R. अब we देखो, we will not just solve AOD, we will check each and every term. What is the meaning of each and every term? And that will be the specialty of all these Menti Quiz. By just one question, you will learn each and everything. Last, okay, 4 people have answered. And who has given the right? Only one person has given the right answer. Let's check who is it. Okay, so I'm glad that Anurag, your preparation is really going well, because I can remember your name now, that you perform well in all the lectures. Now, okay, now let's understand what exactly has been asked, and we will understand meaning of each and everything. Now, what is given? Okay, what is given? F semicolon R to R. पहले इसका मतलब समझते हैं. What is the meaning of this? Okay, so whenever you are solving a chapter, does not think that we have to know the basic knowledge of it. No, we will solve each and everything. What is this? This is the function. Now, function is defined in such a way that domain belongs to minus infinity to infinity, and this is codomain. Codomain is belongs to minus infinity to infinity. बस इतना सा आपको बताना चाह रहा था, that first term is denoted for domain and second is for codomain, and R stands for real number. Fine, is defined by, now function definition is given. Fx is equals to 2x plus cos x. Fx is equals to, just give me a minute, it's buffering, a small buffering. Fx, now it's fine. Fx is equals to 2x plus cos x. Differentiate. We want to check whether it's increasing, decreasing, constant, whatever it is. Let's differentiate. F dash x will come out as क्या आएगा? Differentiation of 2x is 2 and differentiation of cos x is minus of sin x. Now, I will ask you, what is the minimum value of the f dash? इसका minimum value क्या होगा? You will find out the minimum value will be when sin x will be equals to 1. Yes or no? And the maximum value of this differentiation, is when sin x will become minimum. देखो बात समझ में आई कि जब आपका sin x मिनिमम होगा, f dash x मैक्सिमम होगा. जब आपका f dash x मैक्सिमम मिनिमम होगा, तब आपका sin x मैक्सिमम होगा. आई बात समझ में? तो ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका 2 minus of minus 1. So we can say, guys, that if fx is equals to 2 minus of sin x, we can clearly say that f dash x belongs to 2 minus 1 to 2 minus of minus 1. We can say that f dash will be from 1 to 3. We can say f dash is always positive. If your f dash is always positive, means your function is always increasing. What is the meaning of f dash? The change in y with respect to change in x. If x is increasing, y is also increasing. This is how you will say f dash is always increasing. Is that clear? Is it clear why it is always increasing function? Okay, your answer for this question was option number D. Option number C, clearly not possible. Has a maximum at x equal to 0. No, it's an increasing function. It will keep on increasing. And if it is keep on increasing, let me know, guys, what is the maximum value of this function. बताइए, इस फंक्शन की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या होगी अगर ये बढ़ता जा रहा है, बढ़ता जा रहा है, ये बढ़ता जाएगा जिंदगी भर, और इसका मैक्सिमम क्या होगा? बताइए, इस पूरे फंक्शन का मैक्सिमम क्या होगा? आई एम नॉट आस्किंग एफ डैश, आई एम आस्किंग अनुराग, आई एम नॉट, यू आर रिप्लाइंग फॉर एफ डैश एंड आई एम आस्किंग व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम ऑफ एफ एक्स. चेक करो, मैंने यहां पर एफ डैश एक्स का वैल्यू बताया है मैक्सिमम 3, मिनिमम 1. नाउ आई एम आस्किंग व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम ऑफ द फंक्शन. लिख लेना बेटा, अगर कोई फंक्शन कॉन्टिन्यूसली इंक्रीजिंग है, बढ़ता ही जाएगा, तो इंक्रीजिंग मैक्सिमम इज इंफिनिटी, और अगर वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है तो मिनिमम इज माइनस इंफिनिटी. यस और नो? बढ़ता ही जाएगा, बढ़ता ही जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर नाउ, ऑल ऑफ यू, those who are present in this session? Now next question on a screen and I hope you guys will, all others will also answer correctly. Now there are 7 people in the chat section. फटाफट से ज्वाइन करो क्विज को 937899. आखिरी 5 सवाल और पलट दो पूरे सीन को. टाइम स्टार्ट राइट नाउ. X into x minus whole square is decreasing. Function is decreasing. And if function is decreasing, what exactly will happen? I have shared this with you people. गलती मत करना, इसमें बहुत गलतियां होंगी. We are not asking y is positive or negative. We are asking y will decrease or increase in what interval. Clear? Last 30 seconds, 3 people have answered, and the rest of you, those who haven't joined, code is given in the chat section. You can ask to me directly. Otherwise, last 20 seconds are left. Last 20 seconds are left. 3 people have answered. Last 15 seconds. X into x minus whole square. Now if you know product rule, how to differentiate. Okay, everyone has answered. And correct answer is given by 2 people. Let me check who has given a right answer. So Bhavesh and Anurag has given the right answer, and still topper has not decided. So tough competition between Anurag and Bhavesh. Let's see what exactly. And gamer Akash, Neha, Sarvari, Payal. आप लोग भी बेटा थोड़ा सा नॉलेज को बूस्ट अप करेंगे हम लोग. अगर आंसर नहीं दे पा रहे, इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. वी आर हियर फॉर एटलीस्ट लर्निंग होनी चाहिए. नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन इज y is equals to x minus 3q square. It is asking y is decreasing. Most probably what most people will do, it's decreasing. That means y will be less than 0 when x will be less than 0. बिल्कुल सही है. But this is not we are asking. We are asking y is decreasing. And if we are asking y is decreasing, यहां पर लिख लेना बेटा, if y decreases on x increasing, we will call it as decreasing function. इसको हम बोलते हैं decreasing function. और अगर function is decreasing, that means y dash is, we will say that y dash will be less than equal to 0. Clear? Now you will write down y dash will be less than equals to 0. And for this you need to know first of all what is y dash. So let's differentiate. Now y dash will be equals to, it's a product of 2 functions. Okay, now there are 2 ways. Either use the property of the product rule which says keep one of the function outside and differentiate the first one, and then keep the other function outside, differentiate the second one. Or what you can do, that let's write down this as x square minus 6x plus 9 is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x. You can go by this, there is no issue, but ultimately you have to factorize. So I am going by the product rule because ultimately we can learn both the things. हमें एक learning मिलेगी product rule कैसे लगाते हैं. आई बात समझ में? तो मैं इस क्वेश्चन को फिर से लगा रहा हूं. What was y? Y was equals to x minus 3 whole square. Okay. Now many of you might have done like this, dy by dx is equals to dx by dx. कितने लोगों ने ऐसे किया था? dx minus 3 whole square. जल्दीबाजी में ऐसा हो जाता है, गलत है. We will do by using product rule which is dy by dx is equals to keep one function outside. देखो अब मैं कैसे याद करता हूँ प्रोडक्ट रूल को, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. घर में 2 लोग हैं, भाई और बहन, और 2 भाई, दोनों में लड़ाई हो गई. हाँ, लड़ाई डिशुम होती है ना बेटा. एंड अगर दोनों में लड़ाई हो तो क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? पहले एक को अलग करो, दूसरे को समझाएंगे और एक को तोड़ेंगे. हाँ, गलती की तो तोड़ना पड़ेगा. और दूसरे को बाहर ले जाएंगे, फिर दूसरे वाले को तोड़ेंगे. तो यही काम किया हमने. दोनों में लड़ाई हो गई, वी वांट टू डिफरेंशिएट देम, कीप वन आउटसाइड. एक को बाहर ले गए, दूसरे को कमरे में लेकर तोड़ दिया. और कमरा क्या? डिफरेंशिएशन. अब पहले वाले को अंदर लेकर आए और इसको बाहर रखा, अब इसको तोड़ेंगे. तो ये मेरा तरीका है. I create fun in my subject so that I can easily recall the things. Now this is x minus 3 square and this is dx by dx is 1 plus x. Now you cannot differentiate directly differentiate नहीं कर सकते हैं because it's a power function. So dx minus 3 square upon dx divide by dx minus 3 multiply by dx minus 3. And now you will write it down as x minus 3 square plus x into over here n x minus 3 to the power 1 into dx minus 3 is 1. ठीक है. और आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो सॉल्व करने पर बेटा क्या आंसर आएगा? यस, सॉल्व करने पर क्या आंसर आएगा? आपके पास आंसर आएगा y डैश is equals to x minus 3 square plus 2 into x minus 3. क्या है आपका? 2 into x minus 3 into x. यही होगा. अब हमने क्या किया? टेक x minus 3 कॉमन. If you will take x minus 3 common, it is x minus 3 plus 2x, and ultimately what we will come out with, x minus 3 into 3x minus 3 is equals to x minus 3 into x minus 1 into 3, and this is your y dash. What do we want? I want to check where function is decreasing, so I will check where it is less than equal to 0. Draw the wavy curve, write down the critical point. Critical points are those points where your factors will become 0. It is 1, it is 3. Now you will check around 3. At this critical point, this is the factor, and this factor is odd power, so sign will change. You will always start with plus sign from the most right hand side, and then you will check at 1, x minus 1, odd factor, odd power factor means sign will change. So answer will be from 1 to 3, it's a negative sign. Negative sign means from 1 to 3, we can say y dash is less than equal to 0. Okay, is that clear? Anurag? Yes, Anurag Jain. There are 3 Anurag now. Okay, so ये आपका आंसर आया ऑप्शन नंबर 1. अब अगला क्वेश्चन लगाएंगे एंड लेट मी चेक. So school shut down, online class will start offline. Only will I go? I am from class 9th. बेटा ये तो आपकी चॉइस है. मैं आपको कैसे मना करूँ या मैं आपको कैसे बोलूँ कि नहीं जाना चाहिए या नहीं. You will check according to your need. Okay. Now question number 7. अविनाश वेलकम बेटा, आज लेट हो गए आप. लगाइए, कोई बात नहीं. मेंटी क्विज को फटाफट से ज्वाइन करो. कोड इज 937899. 937899 is the code. 937899 is the code. You will copy it and use in the Mentimeter. तो देखते हैं कितने लोग इस आंसर को सही कर पाएंगे. 40 more seconds. The smallest value of the polynomial. अब okay, yes. The smallest value of the polynomial x cube minus 18x square plus 96x in 0 to 9. Last 20 seconds. 3 people have answered. Okay. The smallest value of the polynomial x cube minus 18x square plus 96x in 0 to 9. देखिए, चलो अनुराग जैन बेटा बातें करेंगे. एग्जाम कब है ये आपके स्कूल वाले आपको बताएंगे, मैं कैसे बताऊंगा. आई एम नॉट प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अ स्कूल, सो व्हेनेवर इट विल बी यू विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड. नाउ आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली ऑल ऑफ यू दोज हु हैव गिवन द आंसर इज परफेक्टली फाइन. लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है. प्रोबेबली यू हैव गॉन बाय द रॉन्ग अप्रोच, जो बहुत लोग करते भी हैं. अब अप्रोच क्या है ये भी सीखेंगे. क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक्स क्यूब. क्वेश्चन इज एक्स क्यूब माइनस 18x स्क्वायर प्लस 96x प्लस 96x. दिस इज द फंक्शन. We want to check the minimum value of this function in the interval 0 to 9. Always remember, if you will be asked minimum value, minimum stands for value of y and minima stands for value of x. There are two things over here, global and local. If it is local, it will be clearly mentioned. Okay, and if it is nothing said, if nothing is said, you will be go for this. In this question nothing has been said, so definitely we will go for global. Global means overall minimum value in the interval 0 to 9. I hope it's clear. Yes. अब क्वेश्चन लगाते हैं आगे. In such a case, in case of global, okay, in case of global, always remember one thing. You will check the value of the function at extreme. You will check at the extreme. You will check at f0, you will check at f9, and you will check at the maxima and the minima. आप वहां पर भी चेक करोगे. So it is asked for minima. You will check what is the local minima. You will also check for local minima. आई बात समझ में? इन तीन जगह पर हम वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन चेक करेंगे. So when you will put 0 over here, value is 0. When you will put 9 over here, put करेंगे 9 cube minus 18 into 9 square plus 96 into 9. This will give, यहां से आपका आ जाएगा minus 729 और यहां से आपका आ जाएगा 4, ये बनेगा 864 और फाइनली जो आपका आंसर बनेगा दिस विल बी 135. So from here you are having 135. Now we have to check. If you have not checked, you have to check what is the local minima. Local minima is a point. Now let me tell you, local minima or local maxima, local minima or local maxima is a point or the value of x. ये आपका क्या है? Value of x. Value of x where f dash x is equals to 0 and you will be having a curve something like this. So you can say that it's decreasing and it's increasing around this value. चेक करेंगे मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूं कि your function is equals to x cube minus 18x square plus 96x. When you will differentiate this function, it will came out as 3x square minus 36x plus 96. इसको अगर आप सॉल्व करते हो, this will came out as 3 times of x square minus 12x plus 32. आई बात समझ में? अब यानी कि आपका f dash क्या आ चुका है बेटा? 3x square minus 12x plus 32 और यहां से आपका f dash क्लियरली आएगा 3 times of x minus 4 into x minus 8. Now same thing 4 and 8. अब यहां पर हम समझेंगे what is local minima, what is local minima, maxima. Okay, local maxima, local minima are the values of x where f dash will become 0. So ये कब 0 बनेगा बेटा? This will become 0 at x equals to 4 and x equal to 8, but we do not know which one is local minima, we do not know which one is local maxima. So for that we need to draw this particular wavy curve method. Start with the plus sign and now after plus sign you will check this particular factor x minus 8 is odd power, so sign change, and then x minus 4 odd power, sign change. So you can draw the function. You can say before 4 function was increasing, at 4 f dash will become 0, after 4 it was decreasing, at 8 it was, at 8 it becomes 0 and then it was increasing again. What is the local minima? Always remember local minima condition. Local minima condition is minus plus. पहले गिरेगा फिर बढ़ेगा. ये आपका गिरा और ये बढ़ा. This is your local minima and this is your local maxima because local maxima condition is first graph will increase and then will decrease. कैसा है? पहाड़ की तरह, पहले बढ़ा और फिर कम हुआ. ये पहाड़ है तो ये लोकल मैक्सिमा, लोकल पहाड़ है. लोकल पहाड़ का मैक्सिमा इज द लोकल मैक्सिमा. इज इट क्लियर? और पहाड़ कैसा होता है? ऐसा. और समुद्र कैसा होता है बेटा? नीचे जाओ और फिर ऊपर आओ. इज इट क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर? तो यहां पर मैं छोटा सा पॉइंट लिखूंगा. व्हाट आर लोकल मैक्सिमा, लोकल मिनिमा? लोकल मिनिमा क्या होता है? इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स वेयर f dash x will become 0 and you can say you are having around this value, you can say that we are having लोकल मिनिमा मींस नीचे गिरा और बढ़ेगा अराउंड दिस वैल्यू ऑफ x, ठीक है। और लोकल मैक्सिमा क्या होता है? लोकल मैक्सिमा, ये मैं फिर से आपको बता रहा हूं, इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x वेयर f(x) इज इक्वल्स टू 0, लेकिन अराउंड दिस x फंक्शन शुड फर्स्ट इंक्रीज एंड देन डिक्रीज, और x पर क्या हो गया? 0, ठीक है। तो लोकल मिनिमा -0 प्लस, और लोकल मैक्सिमा +0 माइनस। I hope it's clear to all of you. Now, let's get back to the question. Here, local minima is 8, so you have to check at F8. अब आप F8 चेक करके देखोगे, ये आपका आएगा 8 क्यूब माइनस 18 इंटू 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 96 इंटू 8. क्लियरली इट्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, बिकॉज ये 512 है, ये 64 इंटू 8 कुछ कुछ आएगा, ये आपका एक पॉजिटिव बड़ा सा नंबर होगा. आई बात समझ में? Is it clear or not clear? So definitely the minimum value among all is this F0. आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये मेथड अप्रोच नहीं किया होगा, and if you will not go by this method, your marks will be deducted. So I am summarizing in the case of global. Always remember, if your function is defined from A to B, always check the value at FA. Always check the value of FB and always check the value of local minima or maxima, whatever they are asking. So आपको ये 3, 4, 5 वैल्यूज पे चेक करना पड़ेगा. Probably you will have more than one local minima. Probably you will have more than one local maxima. Clear? अभी question number 8. Now you will have 3 more questions. So let's see if we can do it or not. So Payal finally have खाता खोल दिया बेटा. भावेश और अनुराग, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. अभी चेक करते हैं कितने लोग इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर कर पाते हैं. ओके, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑन योर स्क्रीन एंड लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. कितने लोग कर पाएंगे इस क्वेश्चन को? फंक्शन 2x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 12x प्लस 4. और बहुत मजेदार क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, और ये भी बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. अब यहां पर आपको वो नॉलेज चेक करनी है जो मैंने अभी अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको बताई थी. 2x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 12x प्लस 4 इज हैविंग हाउ मेनी लोकल मैक्सिमा मिनिमा पॉइंट, एंड वी कैन क्लियरली से व्हाट इज द लोकल मिनिमा, व्हाट इज द लोकल मैक्सिमा. देखते हैं. So last, okay, 4 people have answered, and interestingly 3 people are correct and 1 is wrong. Let me check who has given the right answer. So Anurag and Bhavesh and Payal is giving the competition now and has increased to the 3rd position. तो अभी भी 2 सवाल हैं, 2 सवाल 2000 पॉइंट, और you can increase your position. तो बहुत बढ़िया अनुराग, भावेश एंड पायल. बाकी लोग कंपटीशन छोड़ना मत बेटा, लगे रहो. और अभी अब ये क्वेश्चन लगाने वाले हैं. हाउ एग्जैक्टली वी विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? 2x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, 2x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, एंड इट इज माइनस 12x प्लस 4. यही है, माइनस 12x प्लस 4, माइनस 12x प्लस 4. This is your function. Differentiate it. If you will differentiate it, this is 6x square minus 6x, okay, minus 12. And when you will always factorize, याद है आपको, always factorize, this will came out as 6x square minus x minus 2. और जब आप इसको आगे solve करोगे, this will be equals to 6 times of, this will be equals to 6 times of ये आपका बनेगा x minus 2 and x plus 1. Now what is the local maxima, local minima where your f dash will become 0? 0. Clearly it will become 0 at x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 1. Okay, now check this over here. Draw the wavy curve. Write down over here minus 1, over here 2. Around 2, so first of all we start with plus 1. Around 2 it's of odd power, so sign will change. About minus 1 it's an odd power, sign will change. Now plus माइनस, अब देखो ग्राफ भी, दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर विल गिव यू फ्रीडम टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ एनी फंक्शन अप्रोक्सीमेटली। इंक्रीज, देखो कैसे बनेगा, अगले पेज में ड्रॉ करता हूं मैं। ये हमने क्या निकाला, -1 2, इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज एंड इंक्रीज। I can say function will increase and then f dash will become 0 and then decrease and then function will increase. This is local maxima, this is local minima. Because local maxima बनाकर ड्रॉ कर लो बेटा, no need to mug up, no need to mug up plus 0 minus, ठीक है, no need to mug up -0 plus, just draw the graph. This is maxima and this is minima वाला केस, ठीक है. So one local minima and one local maxima. Answer is option number, ये है आपका 1 मैक्सिमा 1 मिनिमा. आई बात समझ में? अब इसके बाद आखिरी क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे, नॉट आखिरी, वी विल डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू हैव वेरी गुड 2 क्वेश्चंस ऑन द स्क्रीन. लेट्स डू इट नाउ. चेक करते हैं कितने लोग सही कर पाएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 बहुत अच्छा है, आई हैव चेक्ड इट. ये भी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, शॉर्ट कट. Now 1 minute that you are having. Question is maximum value of the sin x cos x. Sin x into cos x. दो लोगों ने आंसर कर दिया है. Still you are having 45 seconds. And honestly this question do not deserve more than 15 seconds. 15 सेकंड में क्वेश्चन लग जाना चाहिए था, but it's okay. The basic of the trigonometry will be applied over here. Last 20 seconds. Okay, you took 9 seconds to answer. Okay, Anurag, let's see if somebody have given last 3 8 7 6 3 people have answered. 5 4 3 2 1. Time is up and correct answer is option number B, given by correctly by all 3 of you. और किस किसने आंसर सही दिया है? I hope all 3 of you. So Payal and Bhavesh and Anurag have given the right answer. So very good, Payal. Payal was the fastest among you all. And now over here I will explain how exactly you can do this question. कैसे इस क्वेश्चन को कर सकते थे हम लोग, ठीक है? Okay. Question was y is equals to sin x cos x. I will multiply by 2. I will divide by 2. I can do so. And y is equals to 1 by 2. And this formula is sin 2x. Now maximum value of sin 2x is 1. So maximum value of this function is 1 by 2 into 1. Answer is 1 by 2. This is your option number B. ऐसे भी कर सकते थे इस क्वेश्चन को. और यू कैन गो इन द डिफरेंशिएशन. अगर आपको डिफरेंशिएशन में जाना था तो आप डिफरेंशिएशन से भी इस क्वेश्चन को लगा सकते थे, ठीक है? अब आखिरी क्वेश्चन बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, विच इज गोइंग टू कंफ्यूज यू मैनी ऑफ यू. सो इफ यू हैवंट जॉइन द क्विज, अगर आप लोग 6 लोग हैं सेशन में लेकिन यहां पर 3 है, 937899 इज द कोड. इन द नेक्स्ट 5 4 3 2 1 योर टाइम स्टार्ट राइट नाउ. करिए, बहुत बढ़िया सवाल. अगर आपने लगा लिया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा, नहीं लगा पाए तो कोई बात नहीं, यहां से एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज सीखने को मिलेगी. सो 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. हमें ये बताना है कि एट x इक्वल टू 5 पाई बाय 6 फंक्शन इज मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम और 0. और किसी ने आंसर नहीं दिया. अब सुनिए, मैंने इसलिए बोला था आपको, बहुत कमाल का क्वेश्चन है, बहुत कमाल का क्वेश्चन है ये. और चेक करते हैं पूछा क्या था. एट x इक्वल्स टू 5 पाई बाय 6 योर फंक्शन, व्हाट वाज द फंक्शन? योर फंक्शन वाज 2 sin 3x. योर फंक्शन वाज 2 sin 3x plus 3 cos 3x. At this particular point, function is the maximum और मिनिमम और जीरो या फिर कहीं बीच में है। देखो ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले लेट्स चेक एफ डैश। एफ डैश की वैल्यू निकालते हैं। एफ डैश विल कम आउट एज, निकालिए क्या आएगा मुझे बताओ। एफ डैश दिस विल बी, मैं अभी यहां पर डायरेक्टली लिख रहा हूं कि 2 डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ साइन 3x बाय dx। आप डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते, डिवाइड बाय d3x dx। पहली गलती, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आपने यहां पर ये 3x नहीं लिया होगा फॉर श्योर। प्लस 3 इंटू डी कॉस 3x अपॉन d3x अपॉन dx। और बेटा इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, ये आपका आ जाएगा, ये आपका क्या देगा, cos 3x, 3x यहां से मिलेगा 3 इंटू 2 6 cos 3x माइनस दिस विल गिव यू माइनस sin 3x, और यहां से 3 इंटू 3 9 sin 3x। दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ f डैश। नाउ वी विल चेक at x equals to 5/6 if I am having what exactly, it's positive, it's negative or it's zero, and accordingly we will answer. Put करेंगे 6 cos 3 into pi/6 is 5 pi/2 minus 9 into sin 3, लिखिए sin 3x, x is 5/6, so 3x is 5 pi/2। इसको करने के बाद आपका आंसर आएगा 6 इंटू 0 माइनस 9 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल्स टू -3। इसका मतलब बेटा क्या है, इसका मतलब ये है कि x इक्वल टू 5 pi/6 पर फंक्शन डिक्रीज हो रहा होगा, या तो ऐसे या ऐसे, लेकिन ये डिक्रीज हो रहा है मतलब मिनिमम इज अबाउट टू कम, और डिक्रीज हो रहा है मतलब दिस इज नॉट मैक्सिमम। इज दैट क्लियर? और जीरो है या नहीं है, उसके लिए यू विल पुट ओवर हियर द वैल्यूज। पुट करके देखो यहां पर वैल्यू, कितनी वैल्यू आएगी, यहां पर अगर आप पुट करोगे वैल्यू, ये आपका आएगा 2 sin 5 pi/2 प्लस 3 cos 5 pi/2। वैल्यू पुट करो और यहां से आपकी f 5 pi/6 की वैल्यू कितनी आती है मुझे बताओ। ये आपकी आती है 2, आपका आंसर आएगा 2। मतलब आपकी जो वैल्यू है, योर ग्राफ लुक्स लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस, कि ना तो वो जीरो है और फंक्शन इज डिक्रीजिंग मींस द मिनिमम इज अबाउट टू कम, इट्स डिक्रीजिंग मींस इट्स नॉट फॉर श्योर मैक्सिमम। सो नाइदर इंक्रीजिंग, नाइदर मिनिमम, नाइदर मैक्सिमम, नाइदर जीरो। और ये बहुत बढ़िया सवाल जो एज पर आई थिंक which you should do before you stood in the examination, and this question might eliminate your misconception that you are having till now. तो ये आज हमने 10 क्वेश्चंस लगाए, आज के लिए इतना ही। और those who are new over here, those who wanted to be connected throughout, like I think Anurag and Bhavesh are from the long term program from the commerce batch, like these two people who are really performing well. Okay, I'm sure about Bhavesh, I'm not sure about Anurag. Anurag आपके बारे में बता दो। So if you want to perform really well, if you want somebody in your support system, ठीक है, आप पढ़ सकते हो अच्छी से, दैट आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट। मैं आपको यहां पढ़ा रहा हूं, बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन फिर भी अगर आप चाहते हो, यू वांट अ कंटीन्यूअस सपोर्ट सिस्टम, यू कैन एनरोल फॉर द प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान वेयर यू विल बी टेकन केयर ऑन एवरी पैरामीटर, यू विल बी चेक्ड फॉर द इंप्रूवमेंट एरिया, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस का चेक होगा, आपको अनलिमिटेड क्लासेस, अनलिमिटेड का मतलब ये नहीं है बेटा कि जिंदगी भर पढ़ते रहो, अनलिमिटेड का मतलब है दैट यू विल नॉट एबल टू कंप्लीट व्हाट वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग टू यू। Okay, you will be having approximately 5 to 7 times revision of every chapter, of every question, approximately 10,000 question that you will do. You can choose your language, आप अपनी लैंग्वेज चूज कर सकते हो, you can choose your schedule, आप अपना शेड्यूल भी चूज कर सकते हो, अच्छा, और you can choose your faculty and change your faculty at any point of time. All you need to do is go in the description box, there you will be having a link, click on the link and you will be asked the code is ADAPRO, आप ये कोड यूज कर सकते हो, और वहां पर आपको प्राइसिंग दिख जाएगी, यहां पर भी प्राइसिंग लिखी हुई है, ठीक है, it's 2666 which I recommend for you to go for 3-month plan. तो अभी के लिए इतना ही, let's say goodbye. I hope you have learned each and everything, and join the Telegram channel through which you can have access to quiz, facts, notifications, content, each and everything. So आज के लिए इतना ही. Take care, goodbye, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe before you leave this session. Till then, take care, goodbye, and we will come up with some more quizzes in the next session. Take care.